over the med kit loadout, and this is just what I do. Again, it's up to you to ultimately do whatever it is that you want to do. So the first thing is the tourniquet. Did we talk about how you can identify a good tourniquet versus a bad tourniquet? Yeah, with the actual windlass there, because I know you were in the tourniquet class. So got solid North American Rescue on there. It's like the Gen 6s. Chest seals. Did you ever take the chest seal class yet?
I did.
Cool. So this gets used for anything like in the abdomen area and the chest area. So think thoracic to upper abdomen above the belly button. Just slap one of these things on there. Emergency trauma dressing for large wounds. Antibiotic. Let's see. Yep, so antibiotic ointments just for general injuries. Decompression needle. So I will say this is that until you've taken training on this, don't try to use it. It's great to have, especially if somebody like myself is around and you get injured, but don't try to use that on anybody because it's a decompression needle for chest pressure. Essentially the way that it works is you're gonna have to put it into the person's chest between the second, third intercostal space between the ribs. Hit the rib cage right above and push down. You don't ever wanna go under the rib, you wanna go over the rib because under is where all the nerves, veins, arteries are at, and you'll get blood out, and it is just, you want training on that.
Is that covered in one of the med classes you do?
It will be, yeah. We actually got actors now and a makeup artist. Yeah, so I'm trying to coordinate for the 9th for a tourniquet class, so if you're free the 9th, that would be the first one to kind of get in on and get an idea of what that's gonna be like.
Yeah, it should be.
All right, gloves, because you don't want other people's stuff all over you. Small cuts on your hand, you could easily get some sort of infection from other people. Adhesive cloth tape, burn gel with lidocaine. I think that might be missing. Let's see, cohesive wrap. So Z-folded gauze. This stuff, I wouldn't recommend it for packing a wound. I always want to use the Combat Quick Gauze for packing a wound because that's the stuff that's going to really get in there and cauterize the bleed. This is good for the follow-on, like the secondary pack or even wrapping. Trauma shears. Pretty sure these are one-time use. I don't know.
Yeah, they are.
I think they always suck, to be honest. They never work as well as I want them to. All right, cool. So I think the only thing missing is the burn packs, the burn gel. I'll double check that box to see if there's anything in there, but it looks like we got just about everything here. And then for this med pouch, my goal is to always keep it as slim as possible. And I like pouches that have this external tourniquet thing to where you could basically just put it in there, store it however you want. However tight you do get it, remember I always recommend to tape any sort of a loose end up regardless of what it is or where it's coming from. And then the way that I would try to do this, again, it's totally up to you. This I probably wouldn't include in here because it is so bulky. What I have done in the past is I'll take this and I'll do a couple fingers worth, and then I'll essentially take that and maybe this and stick it in there. But I'm at least you're definitely gonna want something like this in here. Again, the concept is to try to get it as flat as possible. It's gonna have bulk to it, but you don't want some crazy shit like sticking off your back side or front side, however you decide to carry these. And then the way that I'm putting these items in here, so the way I like to roll with it is that as I open it, I can see essentially what it is that I'm pulling out. Quick clot, pressure, yeah. This is the chest seal. Probably should flip that out if you want to keep that true.
Perfect how much shit you can fit in that little pack.
Yeah. And then I'm not saying to do it this way, but something along these lines could be useful. That's how I do it. I think they also have this back here, possibly for that purpose. I'll let you mess with it, set it up however you want it to do.